So I am currently just watching GBP USD to just see what it's going to do. I mean, this is obvious what we have here. We have a kind of trend line that's going this way there, and we have a price resting currently on this zone. You can see this zone. So what I'm watching out for, this is on the 4 hour time frame. What I want to see is price breakthrough, maybe something like that. Obviously, it's probably going to break through and come and test this trend line as well as this zone before it continues to go. That will then tell me that we might actually be going what, this way or that way, wherever it chooses to go and rest. But if it fails to do that, then obviously we are probably going to what, to see prices going this way. The bears will still what, be interested in pushing prices down, but let's see if the bulls are any interested in taking things over, if they are interested in taking over things, so that we have a change of direction on GBP USD for a change. But it's a wait and see game. I know many people struggle to do the wait and see game because they just want to get in, they just want to rush in and make money. Sometimes you just have to wait. It's a skill. Patience is a skill in the marketplace. If there is nothing that's clear, if you're not seeing a clear setup, a clear move, a clear anything, then just sit on the sidelines. It's a skill. Okay. Anyway, let's get to today's video. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video, if you don't learn one or two things in this video, at least I'll be entertained you for a few minutes. So the least you can do for me is to just like the video. If you're looking to download stuff, Forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. The broker that I use, many people always ask me about the broker that I use. Their link is in the description box below. With just $5, you can start trading with a real trading account. People prefer demo and stuff like that, but I prefer people learn in real market conditions. So with just $5, you can start trading real market conditions without putting too much of your money in your account, which is good for testing strategies, testing robots and stuff like that. If you are happy, then you can go ahead and then put the remainder of your capital. So talking about capital, in this video, I just going to talk about why, I don't know why people continue making these, it's basically idiot mistakes in the markets. And I'm saying this because a friend of mine basically blew their account on Friday. And I usually talk about this, and people don't pay attention. People don't pay attention. In the markets, you need to protect your capital. I'm not talking about risk management and all that stuff. That's important. But another easy way to protect your capital is to always have a schedule for withdrawals. Always have a schedule for withdrawing money from your account. Don't leave all your money in your account. When it's just sitting there in your account, trust me, it's fair game for the market, it's fair game for the broker, and it's fair game for you to make mistakes and lose your money. That's what the markets are for taking money from your pocket and giving it into the pockets of the big banks, big institutions, and other traders, other better traders who know better. So, what should you do? What do I do? What I usually do is, let's say I've got $1,000 to trade with. I've got $1,000 to trade with. What I usually do, let's say I want to turn that $1,000 into maybe $5,000. What I usually do is I put in that $1,000. I start trading. I make money, I'm making losses, I'm making money, I'm making money, I'm making losses, I'm making money. And that money gets to $2,000. What do? I take off the table the initial 1,000 that I deposited with the broker. I remove it off the table. I withdraw it. I take it out of my trading account. I withdraw it and put it somewhere in my account, somewhere. Then I continue trading with the profit. In this case, the $1,000 profit. Now I focus on growing that $1,000 profit into that 5,000. Uh, what does that mean? It means if I mess things up and I lose my account, I still have my capital to come back and trade again. Many people blow their accounts and they blow the account together with the capital. And when they blow their account, they are not able to come back. Idiot mistakes. I'm sorry if maybe I'm being too harsh. It's an idiot mistake. People trade and lose their accounts and they lose their capital together with that account. And now they are not able to come back and trade the markets again because they have also blown their capital. They have blown everything, their profit and the capital. You need to treat this as a business. You don't lose the capital. You don't lose the capital. First rule of business, don't eat the capital. Don't lose the capital. Whatever happens, you still need to come back and trade. So, what you do is you deposit your capital. You try and double that capital. Then you remove that capital or maybe a significant portion of that capital. You withdraw it back to your account so that whatever happens, you can still come back and start all over again. You get the point? So, now after removing my 1,000, I'm left with 1,000, which was the profit. I trade that. Probably I get that to another 2,000 or 2.5 or 3,000. Again, I take off maybe 2,000 off the table. I'm left with what? With that 1,000. For some people, they'll say, no, I want to keep all my money in my account because I want to boost my equity and so that I can be able to take bigger positions and stuff like that. That's the same thing, thinking, the same kind of thinking that's landing you into trouble because you want to trade bigger positions. You want bigger equity to be able to trade bigger positions. That's the same kind of thinking that's landing you into trouble. Now, because you have a bigger amount in your account, you can watch that bigger amount. Trust me, people start being reckless. People start being, thinking, I know, I can easily take this trade. If it doesn't work out well, I still have money in my account. I can still take another one and take another one and take another one and take another one. And they lose money. Idiot mistakes. Protect your capital. If you cannot protect your account, at least you must protect your capital so that you are always able to bounce back without going to look for a job or to look for another hustle or to sell your furniture, the furniture in your house, in order to refund your account. That's the problem. Sometimes people they lose their accounts and they are not able to refund what their trading accounts. To avoid that, always protect your capital. Protect your capital. Make us always have a schedule for withdrawals. Don't leave all your money in your account. Don't leave all your money in your account. Repeat after me. Always take money off the table. Leave only money that you are willing to lose in your account. Leave only money that you are willing to lose in your account. I hope with this short talk, this short video, I've helped somebody. Don't leave money in your account. Withdraw your money. Withdraw your capital. Put it aside so that if anything goes wrong, you are always able to refund your account and do it again. Again, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Like this video. Until next time, bye.